Oh, trying to open up the concession stand.
Okay. I was just wondering if you wanted to go up to a baseball game with me
Sure, when?
today.
Today, what time?
Right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
It's so hot out here.
Yeah. It's over here.
Hi.
Woo! Strikeout!
I can't really hear from my hand. Can we go to that?
Third base, as a player runs third base.
Where I tell you to sit.
But I want to go sit over there. So
We sit where I tell you to sit.
But I want to go sit over
I
there.
said.
But what if, okay, if you want to sit there, I'm going to go down here.
You speak and I kill you. Oh my god, where are you taking me? Where are you taking me, Jacob? Sam.
Okay, so then, and then I was like, what the hell? And then she was just talking about just trash, and then the girl ran up to her and she slapped her in the face. Oh,
That was funny.
I was like, oh my gosh!
Are you okay? Call 911.
Help! Help! Help!
Call 911.
Help! Help!
We need an ambulance.
Help!
We're at Centennial High School.
She's not breathing.
Okay. You're done.
Oh snap. It's a lot of files on me. But they're gone. Oh snap.
Where are the files I uploaded this morning? Oh, they're all gone!
Let's see if they can analyze this.
Hey, you can't be over here. It's a crime scene.
Who are you?
FBI freeze.
The struggle must be real with the FBI, huh?
You're under arrest.
Oh.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for the murder of Anna Castillo.
How do you know? You got evidence? Prove it!
Okay, stop it.
Prove it! Prove it!
Stop.
Tell me your name, sir. I don't see anything funny. Tell me your name. Tell me your name!
Anthony Goodwin.
So you're the perp that killed Anna Castillo.
I ain't kill no one.
We have evidence that shows that you killed her.
Show me the evidence.
Can't do that.
So, what was the whole point of doing this? What was your motive? Did you think you were gonna get something out of this? Did you want fame? What was your
I
motive?
didn't kill Anna Castillo.
So if we was to put you in a lineup with our witnesses, they wouldn't call you out?
No, they weren't, because I'm an A student in grad school.
That doesn't mean anything.
I'll pass.
Shoot,
'cause
I'm a cop, but I could still be a drug dealer at the same time. So we have, as we were at the scene, we had a couple eyewitnesses that told us they seen you with Anna. They know you knew Anna. And you were basically the only one that was around her majority of the time. And for her to come up missing out of nowhere, we find her dead. And then we go back to the crime scene and we see you there. That leaves a lot of...
cleaning up, because it's my job.
So do you have an alibi to where he was at the time?
There was no answer. You know,
Excuse me?
there was no answer.
I don't like your attitude.
And you're gonna sit down. I don't like
No,
that.
I'm not. I'm not going to sit down. Sir, calm down. Whoa. Oh. Good job.
So this is the overview of what we found at the crime scene. Sir, Anthony,
Yes,
this is the overview. So you're going to tell me that this man isn't you.
That is definitely me.
Okay.
But that's not me.
So when we went back to the crime scene and you were there, you tried to stage the whole incident. Why were you there?
Cleaning up, like I said before. My job.
Well, we found evidence of your clothes there at the scene, and we found your DNA on Anna.
I don't get naked.
Oh. Okay. Well, I'm done with you, sir, because I can't find anything good out of you. You're a liar.
Because I didn't kill no one.
Okay.
Okay.
You're dismissed. You may leave.
Ah, who let her come out the house looking like that? I'm gonna hold up on the salon and get her some
doing them
in.
up.
She is doing
them
her.
up.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Yeah, she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this. I want a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
What about? And now with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't